When looking to grow your savings with complete security, Tangerine Bank offers a variety of guaranteed investment certificate options tailored to different financial strategies and account types. These options are split between registered, non-registered, and foreign currency categories, giving investors multiple ways to earn fixed, predictable returns. First, Tangerine provides non-registered GICs. These are held in standard, non-registered accounts where the interest earned is fully taxable on your annual personal tax return. They are flexible regarding terms and are accessible for anyone looking to invest outside of specialized tax-sheltered accounts. Second, Tangerine offers a comprehensive lineup of registered GICs designed to maximize tax advantages. This category includes tax-free savings account, TFSA, GICs, which allow your investments to grow completely tax-free so that withdrawals at maturity do not incur tax penalties. Another major registered option is the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RSP, GICs, built specifically to protect and grow retirement savings while offering potential tax deductions on contributions. Additionally, Registered Retirement Income Fund, RF, GICs are available for individuals who have reached retirement age and want to transition their savings into a steady, reliable stream of regular income. Third, Tangerine features US dollar, USD, GICs. These allow Canadian clients to hold and grow funds in US currency, providing a way to diversify a portfolio and hedge against currency fluctuations while still benefiting from a guaranteed return structure. In terms of structure and terms, Tangerine's GIC terms range broadly. You can choose short-term options spanning 30, 60, 90, 180, or 270 days, or opt for multi-year commitments stretching anywhere from 1 to 5 years. Generally, terms of 1 year or longer calculate interest on a 365 or 366-day basis, compounding or paying out annually, while terms under 1 year have their interest paid out at maturity. It is also important to note that Tangerine GICs are traditionally non-redeemable, meaning your funds are locked in for the entirety of the chosen term until maturity. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.